Before we get started, if you would like to learn how to increase your penis size naturally without surgery, pills, suction devices or crazy contraptions, then click my link below. From John Collins. Hello and welcome. I want to start off by telling you how I discovered these amazing techniques, so you can understand the frustration I had with all the crap on the internet. I went through years of blowing cash. I pissed it away. Not on holidays or a new TV. I blew it on get a bigger you-know-what products. Over and over again. I bought one scam after another. I was like a prizefighter getting punched hard but being too stupid to hit the deck. Slap. No growth. Smack. Money wasted. Slam. As small as I always was. I felt lost. I was sick of being had by these offers that were too good to be true. I decided to carve my own path. The last few years of my life have been dedicated to figuring out how to grow the right way. Forget about expensive products that don't work, such as pumps, weights, yikes, and pills. The methods I developed are producing real results, as reported by the over 15,600 men who have purchased the P-Bible. After I developed and refined these methods, I made a promise to help every man who wants to get bigger. To show them how to grow. That's why I'm here. And that's why you're here. We're at the start of an exciting journey. Stick with it and the results are life-changing. I'm going to reveal all my secrets. Every single one. And you are going to get bigger. A lot bigger. I am going to teach you the most effective ways to increase the size of your penis by 2 to 4 in length 1, giving you the size and confidence you have always wanted. Not only am I going to help you get bigger, but I'm going to give you the power to take a super lucky woman to the bedroom and to make her orgasm. Again. And again. And again. Winking face. You'll be a superstar lover in 2 months 1. You'll be Mr. Multiple Orgasm. Duke of delivering incredible sex. King of the bedroom. If you follow my system, you'll be a love machine with a big penis in virtually no time at all. I have documented my entire penis enlargement journey in a 94-page ebook that I call The Penis Enlargement Bible. Not to be sacrilegious, but my Bible might just have more of an impact on your life than the good book ever did. With the help of my P-Bible and the accessory book, The Penis Exercise Guide, I am going to walk you through my 2-step method to grow between 2 and 4 inches in length and up to 1 inch in girth within just 2 short months. Point 1. The techniques I am going to teach you are simple but effective. You can achieve big growth from the comfort of your own home using only your hands and some simple natural supplements, which will effectively restart the same growth you experienced during puberty. The techniques outlined in my system have been used by over 5,000 men around the world, giving them life-changing results that are easy to achieve. You can experience the same growth and the same results, starting today. Click the link below for the full information.